This is Ketna. In this video, we are going to see about reshape, flatten, transpose in NumPy. We have already seen how to store the data, how to analyze the data. In this video, we are going to see about how to reorganize the data. First, we are going to see an example, a seating arrangement. Take we have a group of 8 members people. Okay. So group of people of having 8 members in that, we have to arrange them in 4 lines. So we have 2 rows of it. Okay. To do that, we are going to use people.reshape of first is row 2, 4 column. Okay. So this 1 to 8 number of people was here. Now B is standing in 4 lines. Okay. Now to convert it back to single line, to do that we are going to use a flatten. People dot flatten off. Okay. Now we got. Next thing is transpose. Let's take this mark where subject are represent as column and student are represent as row. Okay. So now teacher is giving this report to principal, but principal was asking in a subject wise instead of student wise. To do that easily, we have to use a transpose in NumPy. Marks dot just T. That's it. Okay. Now we can see that row was converted to column and column was converted to row. Okay. Now I have a question for you guys, that to convert it back to student wise, how we do that? Please comment it out, that one. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Kirtana.